Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, what if I told you there's a feature built right into YouTube that's specifically designed to drive more leads, sales, and make you more money, yet 99% of business owners don't even know it exists? Well, there is, and I use this exact feature to generate over $29,000 in the last 2 months alone, and the craziest part is that I didn't have to upload a single new video. Now, if you're a business owner who's not using this feature on your channel right now, then I guarantee you're leaving thousands of dollars on the table. So in this video, I'll explain what this little known YouTube feature is, and then how you can quickly start using it to get more leads and sales for your business. So what is this YouTube feature? Well, it's the YouTube community tab. You know that little section on YouTube that most people completely ignore? Yep, we're actually gonna start using that. Now, for those of you who don't know, the YouTube community tab is kind of like YouTube's version of Twitter or LinkedIn. And it essentially allows you to post things like text and images and polls and just stay connected with your audience in between video uploads. Now, if you look at all the top YouTubers like Alex Hormozi or Ali Abdaal or Matt Gray, they're all posting there regularly because they figured out something that most creators haven't. This tab can make you serious amounts of money with very little work. In fact, I've been posting there daily for the last 2 months, and let me show you what happened. So in just 2 months, my post was seen by 30,000 new people, and it added 800 people to my email list. And this actually resulted in over $29,000 in coaching sales. And the best part is that each post takes me less than 2 minutes to create because I've just got this whole AI system that does it automatically for me. And if you stay until the end of the video, I'll show you exactly how to set all of that AI stuff up so you can just get all these posts done really, really quickly. But first, why does posting to the YouTube community tab actually make you more money? Well, Google did a study recently, and they basically said that before someone buys from you, they need to consume around 7 hours of your content. So really just let that sink in for a second. The more content they consume from you, the more they trust you, and the more they trust you, the more likely they are to buy whatever it is that you're selling. The problem is, you can't just post a YouTube video every single day because, well, it's just too time consuming, right? But you can post to the YouTube community tab every single day, and when people read these posts, it means they spend more time with you, so they get to that magical 7-hour number a lot faster. And it also just keeps you top of mind for your audience, building up more trust and familiarity faster than just only posting videos alone ever could. And when you think about it, business owners every single day are already making money posting on things like Twitter and LinkedIn. And posting to the YouTube community tab is no different, except you're doing it right inside YouTube where your warmest audience already lives. So when you occasionally promote something like your email list or your products or your services on this tab, it's really obvious why it converts so well and why people actually will buy from you on this YouTube community tab. But here's the catch. You can't just post anything and expect more leads and sales for your business. And this is actually where most creators go wrong, because they kind of treat the YouTube community tab as like a dumping ground where they'll just throw up some random AI generated garbage quote and meaningless polls that don't really do anything for their business. Instead, the golden rule is that every post you create needs to provide actual value to your audience. That means it should either teach something, solve a specific problem, or show a real tangible result from your business. And here's the 3 types of posts that actually work and actually make money. Post type number 1 is to link to your old YouTube videos. So your old YouTube videos are some of your best assets, right? So once per week, what I recommend you do is create a YouTube community tab that mentions your old videos. And this just gives your old content a spike in views and increases your channel's overall watch time. Post type number 2 is then value-based content. So these are short, sharp, and actionable tips that directly help your audience. And these can just be things like answers to frequently asked questions that your audience always asks you, or just, bite-sized bits of information and just things that your audience can implement very quickly to have a quick win and just apply today. And at the end, I'll show you how to use AI to do all these posts in less than 2 minutes, so definitely stay around for that. But the most important thing here is that you hook people in with a very strong statement at the start, provide value in the middle of the post, and then include a simple call to action for the reader to join your, let's say, email list or buy your products at the end of the community post. And that's really how I grew my email list by over 800 people on a very small channel in just a couple of months. And I recommend you do this 5 times per week. Post type number 3 is conversion-based content. Now, these are your money posts, and it's basically screenshots of things like client wins and testimonials and revenue growth and before and after transformations. Now, these are not pushy and it's not like hard selling. It's more just proof that whatever it is that you're offering to your audience actually works. So, for example, I posted a screenshot of the growth that one of my students experienced on YouTube, and basically 3 people from that one post emailed me that week asking to work together. So post something like this once per week to a YouTube YouTube community tab and you'll start seeing some great results. But here's the thing, it's not just what you say in these posts that actually makes a difference, it's how you say it and how you write it on the YouTube community tab that makes them really bingeable and readable. You see, most creators write community posts like this. They cram everything into a giant block of text, making it look really messy, and it just feels like a lot of effort to read. But top creators, on the other hand, use white space and structure to make their posts easier to consume. So here's a quick hack to do the same thing. When you write out your YouTube community post, read it aloud, and every time you naturally pause, just hit the enter button and it will create a natural line break. You can then add in an image with the text too if you want to do that, just to make it more relatable. And you know, I do a mixture of both, so I add some images and I just do some text, and for me this just keeps things fresh. If you start doing that, you'll start generating more leads and sales from your business. But here's the thing, how do you actually get that done really fast with just 1 hour of work per month? Well, here's my super efficient AI system. Step number 1 is to go to ChatGPT and copy in the first prompt, and it's linked down in the description somewhere. It's a bit long, so I won't read it out now. Step number 2 is then to upload this document here, and this is just a list of all the best YouTube community posts that I've found on YouTube. Again, you can download this for free in the description. Step number 3 is to press enter, and this will train ChatGPT on the style and tone of all these really successful YouTube community posts. Step number 4 is then to copy in this second prompt. This is also available for free in the description, and just add in 5 brief topics here about the points you want to make. Press enter and it will generate 5 community posts for you in just a matter of seconds. Step number 5 is to simply copy these posts to the YouTube community tab and then edit the posts to your liking, and then schedule them to be posted for the rest of the month. And you can easily get a month's worth of posts done in less than an hour just by following this method, and this will genuinely explode the number of leads that you get for your business. But if you want to get more views on your next video, then watch this video here where I break down the best YouTube growth strategy for rapid explosion on YouTube.